Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing this 6x12 page from 2018, I believe. I think this is our honeymoon, Disney moon trip from November when we went to the Christmas party. So I'm trying to finish up 2018 so I can do like a flip through. 2017 is still not finished, so I'm working on that as well. Anyway, so let's get into it. The 6x12 page, I actually was flipping through my album trying to figure out what page I wanted to do, and I saw this and I'm like, okay, this is easy. It's just a 6x12 page, just 2 cards. I can handle it. It's because I've been trying to get back into the swing of scrapbooking and crafting and stuff. I have an old Studio Calico kit just sitting on my desk that I never sorted through, never opened, and it was this one, and I think it might have been last year's December kit. Please someone correct me in the comments because I'm not sure. But yeah, so I thought the colors were really subtle, worked well for the page, so that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, I whipped out my old typewriter. I really want a new one because so many of the letters stick and it's just not very functional. It's like really old. My mom had my uncle bring it from the Philippines or something like years ago, and I just kind of kept it. Let me know if you have any recommendations down below for a typewriter, if they still exist. I don't even know. So I'm using this stamp set. I really love these little hand-drawn stars, and I'm going to stamp them on that vellum there, I think 3 times. And I have this idea in my head to do like kind of like tabs, I guess, if that makes sense, like tab label-y sized pieces of vellum, which will go on that top photo of us at the ball, Christmas ball thing, yeah. And then that's just some easy journaling. You know me, I'm not a big journaler. So I think it was just something like our 2nd Christmas party, which as I was looking for the date for a date stamp later on in this video, I realized this is actually our 3rd Christmas party. I guess when you haven't looked at these pictures or documented anything from any of these years for so long, it all kind of just blurs together. But this is incorrectly journaled. And you know, that's fine. I don't really care. It's all good. I'm just gonna leave it. So then this kit also came with these really nice gold puffy stickers, which I really like. And like they're in the shape of like wreaths and I guess just Christmassy things and stars and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna throw that on that journaling card there. And then I'm cutting out that vellum that I stamped on before. I wanted it to look a little bit more haphazard, I guess. So it's not evenly cut, it's not in a straight line, it's just kind of thrown together. I think it kind of just goes with the whole hand-drawn look that I'm going for, especially with the 2 cards in the middle. So I have 3 of those there. I'm not sure where I want to do the placement for this at first. At first I thought I wanted all of them in that top right-hand corner, but I think it's a little too much, and I want to keep the line of the embellishments going down the page. So I'm going to go ahead eventually and put that 3rd vellum piece on the bottom right hand of that photo. And now everything's on there. I'm happy with the placement. I'm just gonna trim the sides on the other side of the picture, get the vellum out of there. And now I'm pretty much done, I think. I'm gonna just staple everything down because you know I love my honey attacher more than any other tool that I have in my scrapbook stuff. So, and then I'm just going to add some date stamps. These labels also came in that same Studio Calico kit. As you can see, that bottom picture of us on Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger. Lots of colors, lots of stuff going on, so just trying to keep it simple. And then these typewriter looking word strips from Studio Calico as well, just to finish it off. And now I'm just going through my embellishment box. I have some like wood stars there and cork. I'm going to use that cork asterisk just to add a little bit of texture to the page. It's pretty flat so far. you know, just a little something, and then bring some of those brown tones into the middle of the page. And that's pretty much it. Here are the detail shots from this page. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I did or used in this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram if you don't. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.